Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Well, not a bad day out there. We've seen some drizzle begin to develop across parts of West Michigan. If you open up the radar on your phone, you likely won't see it. Our normal radar sensitivity doesn't show anything, but for drizzle, we usually have to turn up that sensitivity. And as we do so, you can see that we do have those pockets of drizzle across parts of West Michigan. There's a good chance that it extends beyond just the scope of this circle around the radar site. You get the idea, though. We are seeing some very, very light precipitation falling across parts of West Michigan tonight. That's just a precursor of what we can expect heading into the day tomorrow. 35 in Grand Rapids, 39 degrees in Kalamazoo and South Haven. As we head into the morning hours tomorrow, right around daybreak, we should see that rain-snow mix begin to reach West Michigan with temperatures right around that freezing mark, spreading in first from the southwest and then moving its way to the northeast. So for Sunday, looks to be the most active of the next three. Snow to the north of I-96, cold rain to the south, very similar to what we saw yesterday. Quiet and dry weather for us Monday, with the exception of an early morning shower, mostly cloudy skies. Then another light rain snow mix looks possible for us on Tuesday, a rinse and repeat of what we've been dealing with. Here's that low continuing to move off to the northeast, precipitation coming along with it. And again, the arrival time on that looks to be just before daybreak for our southwestern counties. Grand Rapids area should be right around daybreak. You can see our precipitation chances peak during the morning hours, and we will still see some shower activity through the afternoon, but it becomes more scattered in nature. Let's show it to you here on Futurecast. You see that precipitation roll in, may change over to snow in the Grand Rapids area, so don't be surprised if you see some flakes tomorrow morning. Not expecting any major impacts from the snow. Just know that it could briefly reduce visibility, and then as you see, that precipitation becomes a bit more scattered in nature through the remainder of the afternoon before mostly coming to an end by Sunday evening, with the exception of a few showers that will be likely few and far between. That leads us into a mostly dry Monday. Temperatures going to remain steady as well, down to near freezing overnight, and then we only warm up into the upper 30s during the afternoon tomorrow. We've been in that 30s for several days now. Haven't dropped below it, haven't really risen much above it either. In terms of precipitation amounts, look to be lightest off to the north, heaviest to the south, and again, right along that I-96 corridor in areas to the north. That's where we could see some light snow accumulations, mainly on grassy surfaces heading into the day tomorrow. Your 8-day forecast shows 30s expected through the middle of the week, but then we see a nice warm up to the mid-40s. That also comes along with fairly quiet weather. Our next storm system looks to potentially arrive by late next weekend, but in the meantime, we have a few nice days of weather if you've been procrastinating on those outdoor decorations. The end of next week looks to be your friend.